This is a used 2006 Acura MDX. It's powered by four-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter, six-cylinder engine, and a 5-speed automatic transmission. The features include a power sunroof, internet connectivity, leather seats, heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio, steering wheel controls, memory seats, a premium sound system, aluminum rims. Safety was made a priority with these features: a backup camera, curtain head airbags, side airbags, second and third row head airbags, rain sensing wipers, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us. Curry Motors Frankfort is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 9423 West Lincoln Highway, Frankfort, Illinois 60423.